USB drives are very handy little devices that can be used to carry information from computer to computer. Let's see how it works in the world of a Mac. The first sign when you take a USB drive and plug it in, just like what I've done right now, you have to give it a few seconds for the drive to be recognized, but there are two things that tend to show up. Number one, usually you will end up with an icon on your desktop. That's one really important way to know whether or not it works. The second thing is under the Finder, if you come down to the locations, you will see the drive that you just plugged in. And yes, the drive that I've just plugged in is called VMware Virtual Machines. And if I click on it, then I can see what's inside this particular hard drive. At this point, you can do whatever you want. For example, if I wanted to take this folder, or this file right here, in fact, you know what? I'm going to do it because this is actually some stuff that I'm working on. So let's see, I've got something here called course videos, and here's comp 1401, and here's a bunch of files. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to make a copy of it. Remember, I'm dragging onto a new hard drive, therefore it is a copy. We do this, and it's a pretty big file, so it's going to take a little bit of time. Okay, it's a pretty big file. It's 3 gigs, but it's not going to take very long. So we'll put this up here while I'm talking about this. Actually, this is good. Imagine if I yank the cord right now on my hard drive. Do you think that file is going to make it? And I believe the answer to that question is no, it's going to be damaged. Something that's really important for you to do when you're dealing with USB drives is when you want to take it away because you want to shut down the computer or go somewhere else, it's really important to eject the drive first. One option is to click on this button right here. This is actually the eject. It looks like the eject button for maybe your car CD player, or if you right click over here, there's an option called eject. They will both do the same thing. If you want to eject the drive, what you do is you select this option and you give it a few seconds. And what will happen is Mac will go through and make sure that nothing is currently being copied. Once it disappears from here, at this point, you can now reach and you can pull the USB plug without any fear of losing any information.